If you love EL backlight on G-Shock, this video is for you, because EL backlight is slowly disappearing and many classic G-Shock models are changing to LED. So today I will share 5 basic G-Shock models with EL backlight that you should get before they're gone. G-Shock did not always have full backlight. In the early days, some models had microlight, some even had no backlight, like the old DW5900C. Then in 1994, Casio introduced EL backlight, and many of us fell in love. EL means electro-luminescent. It gives a full screen glow, soft, even, very clear at night. For many G-Shock fans, EL backlight feels more classic, more premium, more nostalgic. But after almost 30 years, Casio is slowly replacing EL with newer LED backlight. If you check new listings today, many models now say LED light. So yes, this may be the end of the EL era. I'm not saying that EL will disappear tomorrow, but production is changing, and when the stock is gone, prices may go up. So if you like EL backlight G-Shock, now is a good time to buy. And here are 5 EL backlight G-Shock to get. Number 1. DW5600E, the classic square G-Shock. Simple, iconic, lightweight, very comfortable for daily wear. This is the most basic G-Shock shape, and yes, the E variant still uses EL backlight. If you want one safe choice, this is it. Number 2. DW6900-1, the famous III G-Shock. This one is bigger than the DW5600, more sporty, more bold, and this model is very popular worldwide. And the EL backlight looks very good on this display. Number 3. DW5700E or DW5750E. Round case, retro style, very balanced size, good for medium wrist. It feels vintage but still modern. With EL backlight, this model feels very special. Next, DW5900-1, the more old school III layout. Unique design, not everyone has it. It has a strong 90s vibe, and if you like something different, this is a cool option with EL backlight. The last one, DW9052. This one is interesting. It is one of the most basic and affordable G-Shock models. Right now, I have not seen any LED light version of this one, but anyway, I would not expect it to stay unchanged forever. If Casio updates it, the old version may become collectible. Now we are slowly moving to the LED era. LED is good, more efficient, more modern, but EL has character. So if you love classic G-Shock, this might be your moment. Get them while they are still available and enjoy the hunt. See you in the next video and have a great day.